everyone. I am Kusuma B M from Acharya Institute of Technology. I sincerely thank PurpleSynapz for organizing the cybersecurity course, and I especially thank Mr. Ragmat Ali sir for guiding throughout these 15 days. His teaching style was very clear and he was very supportive. And since this course is more of practical oriented, the lab sessions was very useful in understanding the concepts better, and the student dashboard that they created during the course also gave me confidence to learn and perform better. Once again, I sincerely thank PurpleSynapz and Ragmat Ali sir, and I'm looking forward to learn more in the upcoming modules. Thank you.